Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day out there. It is gorgeous here and I hope it's gorgeous where you are. Today I have the Look Fantastic box, so let's get in here and see what we've got. This is Look Fantastic, June 2021. It is a limited edition, the Hero Edit. It is a $35 box, but I will put a link below where if you use that and my code Kathrin10, you will get $10 off this box. So instead of being $35, it will only be $25. So let's open this up and see what's inside because I'm pretty excited because the Hero Edit, I believe, if I remember this correctly, and I think that I do, is an entirely hair care box. I love the, you guys know I talk about my hair all the time. It's thin, it's straight, I can't get it to hold a curl, yada, yada, yada. So I try new hair things all the time. So I am so excited to get in here. And like I said, it's a $35 box, but it has 8 products worth more than $90. And like I said, if you use my code, it makes it a $25 box. But that is what it looks like. And it says June 2021. Limited edition, the Hero Edit, and on the inside it tells us a little bit about the box and then all of the products that we've received. And we open it up, ooh, and that's what it looks like on the inside. I have not seen one of these unboxed, so it is a complete surprise for me, which I love. That is so exciting. Right on top we have a pink Tangle Teaser. I have a couple of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this for a giveaway. I really like it. This is a Wet and Dry, the original mini hairbrush. And it's kind of like a wet brush. You can use it, you don't have to use it, it says wet and dry. But if you use it when you get out of the shower, it's more gentle on your hair because when your hair is wet, it's more fragile. So this is more gentle on your hair. But I actually have received a couple of these, so I will set this aside. But I really like them. I don't know, cards on the table, I'm not sure how great this works. Let us know below if you have thicker or curlier hair, how this works. It works great for me because I have fine hair, but I wonder how it works on thicker hair. The paperwork says the original mini in pink bubblegum. It has an MSRP of $10. Using Tangle Teaser's patented 2-tier regular flex technology, this travel-friendly brush removes tangles and reduces breakage, so you'll have smooth, frizz-free hair anywhere you go. So that's a fun start. Let's see what it said at the beginning of the book about the edit. It says, the Look Fantastic June Hero Edit is a curated main attraction of our editors' favorite award-winning bestsellers and hair queen must-haves. Enjoy your summer with this limited edition hair care collection that's meant to detoxify, hydrate, and give strength to your tresses as the temps rise and we all let our hair down. From scalp to ends, wash to blowout, our June Hero Edit is saving your hair this summer. I love the idea of all hair care. It makes me wish there was a box that was a subscription box that was hair care. Just putting that out into the universe. Okay, next out we have Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Conditioner. Strengthens damaged hair. I love conditioners for damaged hair. I was saying the other day that I use these. I don't put them on my roots because my hair is so thin and flat that it lays, but from like mid-shaft down, I load up, especially on the ones for damaging hair, because although my hair is not incredibly damaged, it's been around so long, I mean, it's getting ridiculously long, that I like to give it all the nutrition that I can. This says it is a mini 1.35 fluid ounces with an MSRP of $12. Perfect for straight, wavy, curly, coiled, and tightly coiled hair. This reparative conditioner formula with caviar bond enforcing technology seals and protects tresses that have been damaged through chemical processes or physical stress. Physical stress. I think I could put that all over. Just an idea. So I'm just gonna put a little on the back of my hand because I think with hair products, it's so important how they smell. With any amount of hair, you could possibly smell it all day, so you want to know that it smells good. Oh, and that does. Very nice, very clean, very fresh. Would be happy for my hair to smell like this all day. Actually, I like it a lot. All right, next out of the box, we have Philip B. Peppermint Avocado Shampoo. Doesn't that sound refreshing? Scalp Invigorator Volumizing, all hair types. And this is 2 fluid ounces. So what a great way to try it for a few days. And the paperwork says it is deluxe 2 fluid ounces, MSRP $15. Wow, I wonder what the actual full size costs. Formulated with 2.3% peppermint oil and 16 plant extracts, this clarifying shampoo clears away unwanted oils and residue without stripping and creates a tingly, cooling sensation to invigorate your scalp. Shake well, you guys know that's my nemesis, and apply to wet hair and scalp. It says to leave it for 1 to 3 minutes. Well, that's good information to have because you don't necessarily think about leaving shampoo. We're smelling this too. We're smelling all of the hair care products. I think it's very important. Oh, peppermint. Oh, Christmas. Oh, Christmas tree. Doesn't smell like a Christmas tree. Oh, candy cane. Oh, candy. It smells really good. It does take you back to Christmas though. It's like, whew, that is minty. I bet that does have an invigorating tingle. I'll try it. You betcha. I think my husband would probably love this. Next out, something different. We have Hush Hush Deeply Rooted Hyper Concentrated Nutraceutical for Hair Health 4 Capsules Dietary Supplement. Whew. It says it promotes hair growth, creates a healthy scalp, increases shine, and adds volume and density by Hush Hush. And again, it's called Deeply Rooted. It says it's a complete supplement for healthy hair growth. I, as a rule, because of other medications that I take, can't take supplements just willy-nilly. I'll have to get online and see exactly what's in it. But any of these that I don't take, I pass along to my daughter. 4 capsules has an MSRP of $6. This hair health supplement harnesses the power of proven vitamins, minerals, botanicals, and patented ingredients to stop thinning hair and hair loss. I truly do need that. It combats causes of aging, nourishes the follicles, and promotes scalp health for strong, healthy hair. And it says take 4 capsules daily. Wow. So this is 1 day's worth. Well, so there's no way of really knowing if this helps your hair. What you can really learn is if you take a full day's worth, honestly, you can learn if you have any digestive issues with it. Because you know, sometimes supplements or vitamins, there can be issues. And next out we have, Olaplex number 3. I love Olaplex. The number 3 is the Hair Perfector. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. This is the one, because I use Olaplex, this is the one you use before you shampoo and condition. I actually have number 1, which is something you put on while your hair is still wet, and then you dampen your hair and you put this on. Not every day, you wouldn't do this every day. And then 4 and 5 are your shampoo and conditioner, and then 6 is actually a leave-in cream, and I have that too. I should have the most wonderful hair on the face of the earth. But this is 20 ml, 0.68 ounces. I would say probably 3 uses in it for me, in this much if I were guessing. It is a deluxe 20 ml with an MSRP of $8.50. This concentrated treatment reduces breakage and visibly strengthens hair by repairing damage and protecting the hair structure, restoring a healthy appearance and texture. It says use once a week or 2 to 3 times a week for damaged hair. Apply on damp, towel-dried hair from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave for 10 minutes, rinse hair, shampoo and condition as usual. So that's exactly what I do, and I love this. I don't have to open it to tell you guys. It smells fantastic. I love the scent of the Olaplex products. Next out, something else that I can personally tell you about is the Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. And that is what that looks like. I also don't have to open this to tell you it smells, oh, take a deep breath, like a wonderful spa day. I love the scent. Is this sealed? No. I love the scent. Oh, so good. I love this. And the beauty part is you could share this with your husband because you won't feel at all masculine. I don't think it's a masculine scent, but it is a scent that I don't think a man would mind at all. Oh, it smells so good. It just smells. This was my first real introduction to Christoph Robin, and at that point I just started trying everything of his, and it is a fantastic brand. This was the first thing of his that I fell in love with, and I've received this size in enough boxes that, and I only use this probably once every couple of weeks because it is my whole hair. Your hair will suds like crazy. It is absolutely, although it says it is a purifying scrub with sea salt, your hair will, I mean, it gets so much bubbly foam. It's fantastic. But I only use it every couple weeks because I don't use much product on my hair, so I don't feel like I need to detox very often. I put the lid on, I was getting ready to smell it again. It smells so good. But anyway, what I started to say before I read the paperwork is what I started to say is I have received these enough that I've never actually had to buy it. I always can just go to my next one of these. And I was giving some away at one point. So this is one of the happiest things that I receive in a box because I just keep using them. And someday I'm going to be forced to actually buy one. It is the Deluxe 40 ml, $8.48 value. This sea salt scrub is an effective natural exfoliator that cleanses, removes impurities, and restores balance to the scalp. The grains stimulate microcirculation in the scalp to supply the maximum amount of nutrients to the hair, restoring optimal hydration levels for refreshed, shiny, and clean hair. So yeah, it works great and it smells even better. Okay, next out we have the Imbue Curl Energizing Hydration Serum. I think we all know where I'm gonna land with this. It is so sealed and nice that, well, you know what, I will take it out because my granddaughter with curly hair can use it. I was gonna say I'll leave it sealed in case I wanna pass it on and have to mail it, but one of my 4 granddaughters ended up with the most curly, luxurious, awesome hair. It's just beautiful curls. You know, as a straight hair girl, I'm always jealous of awesome curls. This says it is vegan. It will enhance, define, and defrizz with coconut, capuachu, and cacao. And it's 04 finish. And it says it is curly girl compliant. I don't know if that's part of that whole, there's a whole, what is it? There's a curly girl hair thing. I forget. You know, I just don't ever pay enough attention because I'm not curly. But there, I know there is a curly girl, let us know below. I'm doing such a bad job of this. Curly girl hair where you, I think you're not blow drying it, you just use natural products and wear natural curly hair because why wouldn't you? I would in a heartbeat if I had curly hair. This is a deluxe 3.38, so this is not even a full size. It's huge. I mean, it's really good size though. This will last a long time. It has an MSRP of $13 and it says this lightweight hydrating serum unleashes and enhances your natural curl pattern, protecting against humidity for long-lasting curl definition without the frizz. It absorbs instantly into hair to plump and define from the inside out. It says to smooth it through clean, damp hair, focusing on the ends, but that you can also use it on dry hair while styling for extra softness. Well, oh, it's a serum. I thought it was going to be a pump, but it's a serum. So since I'm going to give it to my granddaughter, let me tell you what it smells like. It is not only a serum, it is a white, like lotiony serum. Everything about this is a surprise to me. Oh, it smells very nice. Almost fruity. Oh, and my hand feels soft now. But that is lovely in your hair. I don't even begin to have one curl to enhance. Sadness. I will pass that along, but I think it's fantastic. And last but not least of our 8 products, we have a full-sized, I would imagine, Scene Dermatologist Designed Hair Care. Won't clog pores. Does your hair, oh, your scalp. I was like, does your hair have pores? Level with me, people. Does my hair have pores? Your scalp, I bet. Skin Caring Blowout Cream. Well, that sounds good. This says that it is a deluxe 5 fluid ounce. Does that mean that this isn't full size? I mean, it's as big as my forearm. It's huge. But it says deluxe 5 ounce. $24 value. Body, bounce, control, and shine. Get serious blowout results and memory without clogging pores or compromising skin with this dermatologist-designed non-comedogenic blow-dry styling product. Your hair will be protected from heat, pollution, and UV damage, giving it a beautiful shine. Apply a dime-size to quarter-size amount on damp hair, roots to ends, blow-dry, and heat style. See what this one smells like. Back of this hand. I was trying, where do we not have a scent? Okay, so back to this pore clogging thing. Do your pores get clogged on your scalp? Or is it for like people who tend to get clogged pores on their face? So if you use a hair product and it got down onto your face, let me know what you think. Just a nice white cream. It's a little, it wants to run a little bit down my hand, so it's a little loose. Oh, it smells good. It smells like hair product. It smells like hair product. I don't know how better to describe that. It almost, not quite, but almost has a hairspray scent to it. I will absolutely use it. There's nothing about this scent that I wouldn't want to smell like. See how wet it gets? It's like a serum. I hope you can see that on the back of my hand. Yeah, almost fruity. Is there anything in it that's fruity? There's nothing in it that I see that would explain any kind of scent except for the very, very last ingredient is fragrance. And by the way, the back of the bottle says it is non-irritating, non-comedogenic, formulated without sulfates, silicones, phthalates, parabens, dyes, or animal testing, and it's gluten-free. And it's made in the USA. Okay, so that is our Look Fantastic June edit, which is the Hero Edit limited edition hair products. Like I said, I really like that idea. It makes me wish that there was like a, even seasonal, because you'd be hard pressed to start rolling through it every month, seasonal hair box. If you know about one that I'm just missing, be sure and let me know below, please. So we received the blowout cream, the curl enhancing serum, the Olaplex number 3, which I can personally give a thumbs up, the Christoph Robin scalp scrub, which I can personally give a thumbs up, the, what was this, Hush and Hush deeply rooted dietary supplement to grow better hair, the Philip B 2.3%, because that stuck in my head because it's so pepperminty, peppermint, 2.3% peppermint detoxifying shampoo. I can't wait for the tingle. The Alterna Caviar Bond Repair Mask, and the Tangle Teaser. That is a $35 box. Again, I will put my link and my code below. With my code, you can get it for $25. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon, and take care, guys.